Emergencies happen. They can strike at any moment, catching us off guard. Knowing first aid can make all the difference. It equips you with the skills to respond effectively. It empowers you to act quickly, potentially saving a life. Immediate action can prevent a situation from worsening. From minor injuries to serious situations, your actions matter. Every second counts, and your intervention can be crucial. Think of it like this. First aid is your immediate response, buying precious time before medical help arrives. It's the bridge between the incident and professional care. It can be the difference between life and death, especially in critical situations like heart attacks or choking. Quick, informed actions can stabilize a person until help arrives. Learning basic first aid techniques is easy and important for everyone. These skills are accessible and can be learned by anyone, regardless of background. It's not just for doctors and nurses. First aid training is for everyone, from parents to teachers to everyday citizens. You too can be a hero in an emergency. With the right knowledge, you can make a significant impact and potentially save lives. Statistics show that immediate first aid can significantly increase survival rates. For example, performing CPR within the first 3 to 5 minutes can double or triple survival rates. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-saving tips and hit the bell icon to stay updated. CPR, or cardiopulmonary resuscitation, is a life-saving technique that can restart a heart that's stopped beating. It's a crucial skill that everyone should know, as it can make the difference between life and death in emergency situations. It's a vital skill in emergencies, and knowing how to perform it correctly can save lives. Here's how to perform CPR on an adult. First, check for responsiveness. This is the initial step to determine if the person needs CPR. Tap their shoulder and shout, "Are you okay?" This helps to see if they are conscious or need immediate help. If there's no response, immediately call for help. Dial emergency services and then start chest compressions without delay. Place your hands on the center of their chest and push down hard and fast, about 2 inches deep, at a rate of 100 to 120 compressions per minute. This helps to keep blood flowing to vital organs. If you're trained, give 2 rescue breaths after every 30 compressions. This combination of compressions and breaths can help maintain oxygen flow. Remember, learning CPR requires proper training. It's not just about knowing the steps, but also practicing them correctly. Enroll in a certified CPR course to practice these techniques correctly. These courses provide hands-on experience and ensure you are prepared to act in an emergency. Wounds are common, and knowing how to clean and dress them properly prevents infections. Follow these steps for effective wound care. First, control the bleeding. Apply gentle pressure with a clean cloth. Next, clean the wound. Rinse with cool water and remove any debris. Then, apply antibiotic ointment. This helps prevent infection. Finally, cover the wound. Use a sterile bandage to protect it. For deep cuts or wounds that won't stop bleeding, seek medical attention immediately. Number 4, Heimlich maneuver, clearing a blocked airway. This technique is essential for anyone to know, as it can be the difference between life and death in an emergency situation. Choking is a life-threatening emergency that can happen to anyone, anywhere, and at any time. It's crucial to act quickly and efficiently. The Heimlich maneuver is a first aid procedure that can dislodge an object blocking someone's airway, allowing them to breathe again. Here's how to do it. Follow these steps carefully to ensure you perform the maneuver correctly. For adults and children over 1 year old, stand behind the person, ensuring you have a firm stance to support them. Make a fist with one hand. Positioning it correctly is key to the maneuver's success. And place it above their navel but below the ribcage. Grasp your fist with your other hand to ensure a strong grip. And give quick upward thrusts until the object is dislodged. Each thrust should be forceful and directed inward and upward. For infants under 1 year old, the technique is different and requires extra care. Support their head and neck gently but firmly. Lay them face down on your forearm, ensuring their head is lower than their body. Give 5 back blows between their shoulder blades. Turn them over carefully and give 5 chest thrusts using 2 fingers on the center of their chest. For yourself, if you are alone and choking, make a fist and place it above your navel, just as you would for someone else. Grab your fist with your other hand to ensure a strong grip and thrust upward against a hard surface like a countertop or chair. This can help generate the force needed to dislodge the object. Remember, quick action is crucial when someone is choking. Every second counts, so act immediately. knowing the Heimlich maneuver can save a life. It's a simple yet powerful skill that everyone should learn and be prepared to use. Number 5. Additional tips: burns, sprains and fainting. Here are some additional first aid tips for common situations. Burns. Cool the burn with cool water. Cover with a sterile bandage. Don't apply butter or ice. Sprains, rest, ice, compression and elevation or rice are crucial for sprains. Fainting: if someone faints, lay them down and elevate their legs. Loosen tight clothing and check their airway. These are just a few examples. Always seek medical advice for serious injuries. First aid knowledge matters. Knowing basic first aid is empowering. It equips you to handle emergencies and potentially save lives. Remember, your actions matter. Take a first aid course, practice these techniques, and stay calm in emergencies. You never know when you might be called upon to be someone's hero. Be prepared. Be knowledgeable. Be the difference. Thank you for watching. Remember, being prepared can make all the difference. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more essential tips. See you in the next video.